Assalamu alaikum. Hi, good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to Vibe Changer. I'm Sadia Said. Today's topic, which we're gonna discuss, is how to avoid negative thoughts. Here we're gonna discuss. There are two types of thoughts. Like first thought is which randomly they are coming in our mind. Even if we are thinking about something or not, they are coming. They are crossing our mind, and there are multiple thoughts. And then there are thoughts which we deliberately think about something, right? So there are two type of negative thoughts. One which we deliberately thinks, like sit and think about maybe ourselves or anything, our life and all that. And one is there which are randomly coming. Even if we are focusing on that, we are not thinking deliberately, they are just crossing our mind. So we'll discuss over here first in this video about those thoughts who are randomly coming in our mind. I've seen many people who gets bothered by randomly coming thoughts, like when even you're not thinking, but even then something is coming in your mind and continuously they're crossing your mind. They could be very evil thoughts, they could be anything which you don't want to even think about it and all that, but they are continuously crossing your mind. So those people, I have seen many people who are very much disturbed about those thoughts, because they said that like our mind is not at peace, they are continuously crossing our mind. Even if we don't want to think, they are coming in our mind. So, what do you think? What are these thoughts? These thoughts which are coming in your mind are actually Satan's whispers. It's Shaitan, it's Satan's whisper who are whispering in your, ear that like anything negative which is coming in your mind, which you don't want to think, which is like at any level evil is coming in your mind. It's all Satan's whisper, because if it's your own thought, you will sit and think about it deliberately. You'll sit and think about your life, about yourself and all that. If it's randomly crossing your mind and continuously coming, and these are evil thoughts, could be about anything, I really mean it. So these are all Satan whispers. And good thing about it is what I tell you what good thing about this is that alhamdulillah, we are not held and will not be held responsible, accountable for these thoughts. As a muslim, we have to say thousand billion millions times thanks to Allah that will not be held accountable for all Satan's whisper or randomly coming thoughts in our mind. So why we worry? We need to free our mind. And the best thing to avoid those thoughts are, you'll be surprised, is let them come, don't stop them. The more you want to stop them, the more it will come in your mind. Let it come, because if you are not accountable for something, and if even if they are coming, and so what, let them come. And we are not the only one, or you are not the only one that who is having those thoughts. Each single individual on this earth, whether he's very close to religion as well, each single individual is having they are having these thoughts. Those thoughts are coming in their mind as well, randomly, could be extremely evil, which we even don't want to think. We can say like, oh, I'm very towards religion and all that, why these are things are coming in my mind. The others, like, I'm very this sportive and all that. But these things are very natural. First thing, how you can ease your mind is, these thoughts are coming in everyone's mind. So you are not somebody different or something else who didn't belong in this world. So you are not the one who is having these evil thoughts. These thoughts are coming in his or her mind only. We are all the same. As human beings, we are all the same. Even if you are close to religion, or you're a very positive person and all that, these thoughts are coming in everyone's mind. So best thing is, don't avoid, I mean, like, let them come. Take it as normal thing. Don't think that something happening with your mind and all that. Although they are irritating you, because you try to stop it, like you don't want to think about it, because they are sometimes very evil thoughts, could be extremely evil. You just don't want to think about it, but they are again and again crossing. The more you will try to stop it, they will come to your mind, because because what it is Satan's whisper. And they are happy. The more you try to stop it, the more you are irritated, the more you are banging your head, oh, why these thoughts are coming in my mind. Satan is happy, Shaitan is happy. Why not you just let it come? Because if you are okay, you take it as okay, normal thing. Yeah, it does come in everyone's mind. It's all human beings are having these thoughts, so what? So let them come. Then these Saturn, they will leave you. all shit, devils, all things, devilish things or thoughts or evil thought, they will leave you. I'm telling you. And but this is very much impractical. If you'll practice it, this is very much practicable. Let them come, take it as normal thing, right? Because, and best thing about it, will not be held accountable for those thoughts. Will not be held accountable for Saturn's whisper. Here I am not talking about thoughts which we deliberately sit and think about our life. I am talking about thoughts which are randomly crossing our mind. So best thing is, those randomly thoughts, you'll not be held responsible. Just leave it, just be happy, let them come. And you will see, when you take them as routine matter, as everybody's having, so what and all that, even if they are evil thoughts, mostly they are evil because you don't want to think, that's why you try to avoid it and all that, because you want to focus on different things. Let them come, take them as normal routine, you and focus on your work which you are doing. Try to focus. You'll forget, you don't even remember that where is that thought. Maybe 1 day, 2 day, they'll be nowhere, right? So we need to tell ourselves that we'll not get worried about things which are very natural and happening to everyone, first thing. And secondly, these are Saturn's whisper. And the more you'll get irritated, the more they will come. The more you let them come, they'll leave you, because you are not, their main focus is you should get irritated. The more you'll get irritated, try to stop it, it will come more. The more you are easy, let them come and all that, you yourself will forget what you was thinking and what was coming in your mind. You'll more focus on your work. So just be happy. First thing, we have discussed about randomly coming thoughts, that how we can avoid. First thing, good thing, we are not held accountable. Second thing, these are Saturn whisper, and let them come. You don't have to do anything. Next video I'll tell you the thoughts which we are doing, sitting and deliberately thinking about ourselves negative or about our life negative, how we can avoid that. That is something different, where we need to work little bit. But over here, these thoughts are not your fault. Forget about this, that why they are coming, so many are coming, evil thoughts are coming, they'll come, because this is natural phenomena happening with everyone, right? So do take care of yourself. Ease your mind today, at least for randomly coming thoughts. Enjoy your life. Have a wonderful evening. Allah Hafiz.